can just have the tuner turn off MDS. Why would I need non-MDS cam and lifters? So could you just turn MDS off without removing the MDS components? So yes, you can disable it. It's fine. There's no negative harm. It's not like by just disabling the tune that there's going to be negative impacts. The mindset behind removing the MDS components is they are more prone to failure in regards to the lifter tick than the other components. It kind of amplifies the risk. It amplifies the risk of developing lifter tick. So that's where the confusing part kicks in of like what actually is. Does turning off the MDS system prevent the lifter tick? It does not. So that's more of where the clarification piece comes in. It's not required for you to remove the hardware. You can disable it if you want to get rid of the feature, which then prevents the disabling of the lifters from the oil standpoint. So it prevents that system from ever working. But the components are still there if you're concerned about the lifter tick coming into place. Okay, so it's not required, but the true thing is disabling it doesn't improve the reliability in any way, shape, or form. So it just removes the feature from enabling.